How to fix Uber Eats promo code not applied. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up the Uber Eats app on your device. Then tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you want to tap on the promotions option in order to enter your promo code. Now tap on this space. Then you simply want to paste the promo code that you have copied. Now when you tap on the claim promo option, your promo code should be applied. However, for some reason, if it is not being applied, then there are a couple of things that you can do. Sometimes the issue might be with the promo code itself, so you want to test other promo codes. If you are getting the same kind of issue for other promo codes as well, then you want to tap and hold on Uber Eats app. Now tap on the I button. Then from here, tap on the storage option. Now tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data, tap on the delete option. Once all the data of Uber Eats app has been deleted, you want to open the Uber Eats application and check if your issue has been solved. If it is not, you want to try and update your application or reinstall the app and check, and that should fix your issue. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.